Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add other Gmail accounts or Google accounts to your Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, for this, you need to set up partner sharing, and you can do this on any platform, on any version of the app you want. Sharing photos of specific people isn't available in all geographic regions, so you need to keep that in mind. It might not be available for you, but you can set up partner sharing anywhere in the world as far as I'm aware. To do this on PC, you just need to go to the site, log into your account, and go into settings, click partner sharing, and then get started, and then enter or select an email address. And you can only invite someone with a Google account. In this case, it is very easy since you are looking for someone with a Gmail account. Then select which photos to add to your partner account. You can select all photos, photos of specific people, or only show photos since this day. Click next, and if everything seems right, you just click send invitation. And optionally, to find your partner's photos, you can ask them to share with you after they've accepted your invitation. But that's pretty much how you do it on PC. On Android, it's a bit different, but pretty much the same as well. You go into the app, and from the top, you just tap sharing. For some users, it's found at the bottom. Then you just tap share on partner and get started. Then select all photos or only photos containing selected people, and a starting date. You can choose all time and a specific date, or since a specific date, and then just tap select partner and invite them. And if everything seems right, you just click confirm, and that's pretty much it for Android. On iOS, you go into the app, sign in, tap on your photo, and go into Google Photos settings, go into sharing, partner sharing, get started, enter or select an email address which you want to share with, and then select what photos you want to add, pretty much the same as on PC. Tap next and then send an invitation, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.